Welcome back, Salopian Beaverman, aka Small Bike Adventures. We're going to be looking at a couple of small jobs that I wanted to do on the GP for a while. The weather's cracking, temperature's right, cup of tea's on. Let's get started. So the first job I need to look at is this back wheel is squeaking. I think I know what that is. I think that is the brake shoes, the spring that hold the brake shoes together. I think it's actually catching on the hub bit, so I need to take the back wheel off, have a look at that. Second job is the front sprocket there. I've got a new one which is one tooth smaller, so there it is. I'm going to stick that on because this is struggling when it's in fourth and fifth to accelerate. So obviously a bike of this small cc, it's needs all the help it can get. So I don't know whether that's that might be an original one, but someone might have changed the rear sprocket for a slightly larger one. Anyway, I'm going to change the front one there, put the new one on, and then see if that has any difference, or makes any difference, should I say. So first of all, I'm just going to remove this split pin. Come on. I'm going to loosen these off, both sides. Okay, and then get a big socket out and take the pin out. Get the chain off. Get that out of the way. Let's take this off at the back here. It's the brake adjuster. Take that off. There we go. Okay, fiddly. Hook the chain over the other side. Take the wheel out. Okay, so these springs here, which hold the shoes on these fixing points, what's happening is they're rubbing on the inside of that. Now there's not a lot I can do about that, so basically I've just put some grease on it. Now whether that's a good idea, whether it's going to get hot and start spraying out liquid grease all over the brakes, only time will tell. But there's no other way around it, because these are the springs that came with it. These are the original ones, because the other ones I had that come with these new shoes are even bigger. So it's no biggie. Doesn't actually deter the bike from running correctly, whatever. So anyway, I'm pleased with that. I'm going to get this wheel back on, and then we're going to have a look at this front sprocket while the chain's loose. In fact, I could do that now actually while it's while the chain's just flopped there. So I've just got to bash back this this bit of collar that you hammer down to stop this from coming off. Okay, tap that back so it's flat, and now we can get the nut off. Okay, get a bit of a tippity tap with the hammer and it's come loose. It's just probably catching on this collar somewhere. Let's just give that a bit of a tippy tap back. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, That's off. Take this collar off. Let's take that off. There we go. That's the old one. A little bit of wear on it. You can see the top of the cogs slightly bent over. Let's see, that's the new one. So let's get that's it. Right, that one's on. Put back this ring there. Do that up. Bend this collar back. Stop it from coming off. And there we have it. Right, we're all done. That's on the front there. That's re-greased the chain, and as you can hear, there is no more squeaking noises. I've just got to adjust this to take off the slack on the rear brake. But as you can hear, nice and quiet. I'm going to give this a good clean because last time I used it, it got a bit dusty. So I'm going to give it a clean. Give it a bit of a polish up. The old battery's on trickle charge there, maintenance, just sorting itself out. And that's about it. That is today's little few jobs out the way. Right, well, thanks for watching. Got those couple of little jobs out the way. Everything's put back together again and working. No more squeaks from the back wheel, and we've dropped down one tooth on the front cog stroke sprocket. So it's a bit hot at the moment to stick on some biking gear and get out there. I can't be bothered. Not right now. So I might take it out later and try it. I'm going to give it a good clean, and yeah, and then go and enjoy see what it's like in 4th and 5th gears. I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching this quick episode. See you again next time.